Hello everybody, today we're going to be making vegetable bouillon powder. You can find this anywhere in the store. However, those ones have bad salts, sugars, colors, preservatives, additives, and carcinogens that can be really harmful. So my mom decided to make it at home so that for sure we know what's going into our food and that it's clean. So this is a nice thing to add to anything for extra flavor, and you can make it very easily with any sort of food processor. And yeah, so first we're going to add an assortment of dried vegetables, which can include peas, peppers, carrots, green onions, green beans, and peas. I think I may have said, okay, whatever, it's okay. And celery. And I believe those are just two different mixtures of the vegetables. Also parsley, you can add it to that as well. And garlic. Just add anything you want. So make it a little bit of a thicker version of this spice. You can just use a food processor, but if you want it to be really fine, then you're going to do what we're going to do in this next clip. But for this one, you can primarily use this in stews or soup so that you can still have those chunks for flavor as you're eating it. But for more just seasoning for meat, or, well, I guess meat is the main thing, and to make it finer for yourself, in that case, you can use a more heavy-duty blender. Again, my mom is just going in with the same mixture of dried vegetables, and all of the following ingredients you see in the bottom right-hand corner, those are everything you put in as well. You can put in whatever you want, you can take out whatever you want, just depends on your preference and what you're going to do with this for each specific dish. And yeah, as you can see, this one's a lot more fine than the original one, and that's it. We hope you guys enjoyed this spice. Happy seasoning. Bye!